Okay, guys, so we are going to start the next section. This will be the last section on this assignment.
In this lesson, you will do the following. Find the spine and identify nerves within the abdominal cavity. Make an incision on the head and cut away part of the skull. Identify various portions of the brain.
The nervous system of a frog allows it to feel and react with its environment. It also allows functions like respiration, digestion, and circulation to take place. Find and press on the spine, within the back wall of the abdominal cavity. The spine has a spinal cord of bundled nerves running through its bony vertebrae. This cord is the main highway that transfers electrical signals between most parts of the body and the brain. Branching off the spinal cord at various intervals are 10 left and right pairs of spinal nerves. Each of these relay information to and from the extremities of the body. To see some of these, carefully pull away the kidneys and place them to the right. See if you can find and identify the sciatic plexus nerves. Excellent. If you count the nerves down the spine, pairs 7, 8, 9, and 10 make up the sciatic plexus. These control all information leading to and from the hind legs. Unfortunately, if these delicate nerves become damaged, any place that they lead to can no longer be monitored or controlled by the brain. Press the arrow to flip the frog onto the dorsal side. Good. Now press the scalpel button on the toolbar. Slice the tissue along the dotted red lines, and place the skin to the right. Press the scissors button and follow the same path with the scissors. Carefully remove the muscle tissue attached to the skull cap and place them to the right. Press the magnifier button to get a closer view. You are now looking at the various parts that make up the bullfrog's brain. Like the spine, there are 10 pairs of cranial nerves that lead away from the left and right sides of the brain. Click on the part of the brain called the olfactory lobe. The olfactory lobe connects to the first pair of cranial nerves that lead to the nares. What information do you think these nerves communicate? Efferent nerves are needed so that the nares can be told when to open and close, but afferent nerves are also needed to tell the brain which odors the nares detect. Find and press on the cerebrum. The cerebrum conducts olfactory information to other parts of the brain. In humans, it is the area where higher order thinking originates from, but on the frog this area is much less developed. Find and click on the thalamus. The thalamus is like a switchboard that transfers sensory information and responses to other portions of the brain. On top of the thalamus is the tiny pineal gland. Click on it. The pineal gland regulates other glands of the endocrine system, and in humans is responsible for the production of melatonin, a hormone necessary for sleep cycles. It is speculated that the frog's pineal gland has similar functionality. Now press on the optic lobe. The optic lobe is one of the more developed regions of the frog brain. It receives visual information from the optic nerves, as well as sensory information from other parts of the body and brain. Below the optic lobe is the cerebellum. Press on it. The cerebellum controls the coordination and balance of a frog. It receives information from the balance detectors within the ears, and positions sensors throughout the body. Finally, press on the medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata has regions within it that regulate the autonomic functions of digestion, breathing, and heart rate. At its lower end, it connects to the spinal cord. You have now completed this lesson.
Okay, guys, so you should be done with your assignment, so make sure you answer all the questions and then submit it on Teams. Have a good day, guys.